Hi, sociologists. I hope you're having a great Sunday. It's been a beautiful day. I hope you got to go outside and do things that were nice for yourself and those you love. Um, I just want to check in, as I usually do on Sundays, with kind of what's coming up for the next week. So, last week you got to think about and learn about just the sociological perspective in general and the three main theories that we'll be using throughout the semester. So the two macros and the micro, functionalist theory, conflict theory, and then the micro symbolic interactionism, and kind of how those are used in order to look at society in general. So hopefully last week was foundational in terms of that, and you were able to get an idea of how each one of those three perspectives looked at society and how it understood the human in the context of their environment. And so we're going to move forward now into culture. And certainly, culture is one of those things that is um, indicative of what the human in their given environment um, is used for shaping. And in terms of like how you see the world is based in the culture that you're living in. And so, culture is something that is maybe obscure if you actually like just kind of let it be surrounding you. But if you think about it, it's kind of like the lens in which you see society. One author uses the analogy of a fish doesn't notice the water around it, but it's just there. And that's kind of how culture is in the terms of how it shapes us, how it makes us human. And so you'll be doing some reading on it and you'll be thinking about it. And I'd also ask you to just think about it in terms of your own upbringing and life. And if you've come from a different culture, if you have parents who didn't grow up in this culture, how does having two cultures or multiple cultures shape how you look at the world? And is that different from other people that you know? And so on. So, culture is definitely a lens in which we view society and how we make society real to us. So, I hope you have a good time on this section. And I look forward to connecting with you more on the discussion forum. So thank you, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I will be in touch. Bye-bye.